Praise the Lord. I welcome you all to my channel Standing on the Promise of God. Now I am going to speak from the Bible about joy. For you shall go out with joy and be led forth with peace. The mountains and the hills shall break forth before you into singing, and all the trees of the field shall clap their hands. Isaiah chapter 55 verse 12. Blessed is the people that know the joyful sound that shall walk, O Lord, in the light of thy countenance. In the name shall they rejoice all the day, and in thy righteousness shall they be exalted. Psalm chapter 89, verse 15 to 16. The voice of rejoicing and salvation is in the tabernacles of the righteousness. The right hand of the Lord doeth valiantly. Psalm chapter 118, verse 15. Thou hast put gladness in my heart more than in the time that their corn and their wine increase. Psalm chapter 4, verse 7. They that sow in tears shall reap in joy. He that goeth forth and weepeth bearing precious seeds shall doubtless come again with the rejoicing brings his shovels with him. Psalm chapter 126 verse 5 to 6. Light is sown for the righteous and gladness for the upright in heart. Rejoice in the Lord, ye righteous, and ye give thanks at the remembrance of his holiness. Psalm chapter 97 verse 11 to 12. For thou have thy delight in the Almighty and shall lift up the face unto God. Job chapter 22 verse 26. These things have I spoken unto you, that my joy might remain in you, and that your joy might be fulfilled. John chapter 15, verse 11. Yet I will rejoice in the Lord, I will joy in the God of my salvation. Habakkuk chapter 3, verse 18. Therefore the redeemed of the Lord shall return and come with singing unto Zion, and everlasting joy shall be upon their head. They shall obtain gladness and joy, and sorrow and mourning shall flee away. Isaiah chapter 51, verse 11. For our heart shall rejoice in him, because we have trusted in his holy name. Psalm chapter 33, verse 21. Whom have not seen ye in love, whom have though now see him not, yet believe we rejoice with the unspeakable and full of glory. 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 8. I will greatly rejoice in the Lord, my soul shall be joyful in my God, for he hath clothed me with the garments of salvation he hath covered me with the robe of righteousness, as a bridegroom decketh himself with ornaments, and as a bride adorned himself with her jewels. Isaiah chapter 61, verse 10. Then he said unto them, Go your way, eat the fat, and drink the sweet, and send portions unto them, for whom nothing is prepared. For this day is holy unto the Lord, neither be ye sorry, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. Nehemiah chapter 8, verse 10. And thou shalt rejoice in the Lord, and shalt glory in his Holy One of Israel. Isaiah chapter 41, verse 16. The righteous shall be glad in the Lord, and shall trust in him, and all the upright in heart shall glory. Psalm chapter 64, verse 10. My soul shall be satisfied as with marrow and fatness, and my mouth shall praise thee with joyful lips. Psalm chapter 63, verse 5. But let the righteous be glad, let them rejoice before God, ye let them exceedingly rejoice. Psalm chapter 68, verse 3. I will see you again, and your heart will rejoice, and your joy no man taketh from you. John chapter 16, verse 22. May God bless you all from this Bible promises. Thank you.